is Israel Ruiz, and this is gonna be a channel about my art, which is makeup. And on today's video is gonna be a blue eyeshadow makeup. As you know, blue is the new black, and it's gonna be all about the glitter. So this is what today's video is about. So I hope you like it, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So I hope you enjoy, and please keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin by combing the eyebrows with this pulley brush. And then we're gonna be using this shade from the 3 Brow Brown Kit from Makeup Store. I like to begin from the center part of the eyebrow and working my way out. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I work it into the beginning of the eyebrow, and that way I do not have that much product over there. And I'm gonna be using this darker shade now, and I'm gonna do the same process from the center part to the outer part and then to the inner part of the eyebrow. Yes, brows on fleek. I will be cleaning the eyebrows using this Wet n Wild concealer. Always blend the concealer into the skin so that way you don't leave harsh lines. For the eyes base, I'm gonna be using this eye primer from Luscious, which is called Angels, and I will be applying it to the whole lids. And to set it, I'm gonna be using this shade Naked from this Urban Decay palette. And to start working on the transition of the eye from this same palette, I'm gonna be using the shade Buck, and I will be applying it to the outer part of the eye and working my way into the inner part. Now I'm gonna take this darker shade, Cafecito, from this palette from Alamar Cosmetics called La Reina del Caribe, and I will be doing the same process. So using the same darker shade, what I'm doing right now, it's just packing the product because I need it to look more intense, so I'm not doing any blending at all. To line the eyes, I'm gonna be using this black eye pencil from Minesso. And what I'm gonna be doing is making a thin line because we're gonna be blending the eyeliner into the lid, because we're gonna be applying some black eyeshadow as well to do a blended eyeliner. Now I'm gonna be using this black eyeshadow from this high pigment palette from GOG Makeup, and what I'm gonna be doing is to keep on blending the eyeliner into the lid. Once I'm done packing the black eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking a clean blending brush and I'm gonna pass it on so I can be able to blend the eyeliner into the eyelid. I'm gonna be cutting the crease using the same eye base I used earlier, and I will be setting it with the same eyeshadow I used from the Naked palette. From the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Mascara palette, I'm gonna be using Showtime and I will be applying it to the cut crease. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. I'm gonna be using this pigment primer from NYX Cosmetics and the blue glitter, and I'm gonna be applying it only on the cut crease. With the same brush that I applied the pigment primer, I am going to be applying the glitter in a dabbing motion, because if you drag it, then it's gonna be a whole mess. Alright, so remember, just dab, 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 dab the glitter. And at this moment, I am so in love with this makeup that you're gonna see the end result. Well, you already saw it at the beginning of this video, so I know you love it already. That's why you're here. Once I'm done applying the glitter, I'm going to be using the same blending brush that I used earlier for the transition. And I'm going to pass it once again just to unify everything again. And the same brush that I used to smudge the eyeliner, I'm going to pass it on once again with black eyeshadow, just a little bit, just to make everything pop again. And with a fan brush, I'm going to be cleaning out all the fallout from the glitter. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit and Better Than Sex from Too Faced, just to make it very dramatic. For foundation, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty in the shade 380, and I'm going to be applying this all over the face with a beauty blender and making sure that everything is well blended. For concealer, once again, I'm gonna be using the one from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus one. And I'm going to be applying this under the eyes, on the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and in the chin. I like to apply concealer on the lips because this is gonna make a clean base and it's gonna make the lipstick to last longer and make it pop too. Now I'm going to set the under eyes area with the translucent powder from Pretty Vulgar. Now let's get to contour. I'm gonna be using this Kryolan Wheel Concealer, the darkest shade. And I'm gonna start to work under the cheekbones, making my way up to the sideburns. Now I'll work on the jawline and making my way up to the ear lobe. This is gonna make a lift effect, which I love and do to all of my clients. You can appreciate here how lifted the face looks. I like to use a beauty blender to blend the edges when I use cream products. Now I contour the forehead a little bit and start on the nose. I like to begin from the nostrils and build my way up to the beginning of the eyebrow. To set the highlighted areas in the face, I'm gonna be using this LA Girl powder, which is in the shade Warm Caramel. And when it comes to setting the contour, I'm gonna be using the shade Cocoa. This is my favorite blush ever, Rose D'Oro from Milani Cosmetics. I love it because it works perfectly with every skin tone. I'm gonna be using once again the translucent powder from Pretty Vulgar because I'm going to smoke out under the eye with a black eyeshadow and I don't wanna ruin the foundation. Now let's get to highlight. I'm gonna be using the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm going to be highlighting under the eyebrows, on top of the eyebrows, the nose, the cupid's bow, the forehead, the chin. And last but not least, cheekbones. So now she's feeling herself, she's feeling her oats, so let's give her some moments. Cause girl, face is popping. I'm gonna be lining the lips with this LA Girl lip liner and then I'm gonna be applying this matte lipstick from Ofra. Okay, so the face is painted for the gods. Let me set it with this Tarte setting spray.